I lost a ton of money when I first started trading with ICT concepts. So in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 best tips I would give to any ICT trader so you don't have to experience what I did. The first tip about ICT concepts that I'll give you guys is that not every PD array is automatically going to work. On the charts, there are going to be tons of fair value gaps and inversion fair value gaps or any sort of PD array happening at once. So how do you know which ones are going to work? Which takes us to our second tip, which is to always use the high time frame and align price properly. If we take a look at our example here, and if we start out on our high time frame on our hourly chart, you can see that we're tapping into these bullish PD arrays as well as them being paired with an SMT divergence. This key level in SMT on our high time frame allows us to identify a potential manipulation in the market, so now we can have a bias to play off of when we look for our internal confirmations on the low time frames. So now when you shift to your low time frame and you start to see your inversion gaps or any of your other internal entry models that align with your high time frame, that's how you're going to catch much higher probability executions. And the final tip that I will give you guys is that having more confluences doesn't actually make a trade better. We've all probably taken an execution and called it A plus because it has tons of confluences going in the same direction and yet it still gets stopped out. You will see your trading change drastically if you go into the day with a set system instead of just spamming PD arrays differently every single day. And if you guys are still struggling to find a model to trade, you can steal my 3-step distribution model, which just got me funded another $250,000 in capital in less than 3 weeks. And to receive a free checklist to learn how to trade that model, all you have to do is drop a follow and comment the word checklist, and I'll send you over a free PDF.